Oh my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my dashboard layout, which is my social media. I did end up grabbing the Teacher's 741 sticker book, as well as the memory planning book. I am going to be decorating for St. Paddy's Day, as it is the 17th of March, and we are planning for the week of March 15th through the 21st, and this planner is called New Day, in case you're interested in this particular one. I am going to be covering up that pink box as always, and I'm going to place a big sticker in my dashboard. So this big sticker says special, every day is special, and then the special is pretty big. And this green, and I know it's not necessarily St. Paddy's Day, but I do enjoy adding my greens on St. Paddy's. So I am adding another dark green color to the spread to add some contrast. And it's another big sticker. So balanced out, and then I'm gonna start kind of playing around with my stickers and boxes, and as always I'm going to be covering up the prompts. Also, what are you guys doing on St. Paddy's Day? Do you have plans? And if it's already after St. Paddy's Day when you're watching this, let me know what you did. I am super curious to see what people are planning. I know we're in a pandemic, and I know that a lot of you will be safe and careful. So I'm just curious to see what creative ways you guys found to celebrate this really lovely day where it unites people into practically one nation, right? Because we all say we're Irish. It makes me super excited because I really do enjoy green. So it's going to be a fun day. And I live in the city of Chicago, so we actually dye our river green, which is pretty incredible, right, for a holiday. And it brings me just so much joy how much this city knows how to celebrate. Okay, back to the spread, right? And let's see. So this is what I have so far. Now I need to work on some functionality and more decorations for sure. Let's add this feeling lucky in here, and I think that looks really lovely. And then let's put this big square one, happy go lucky, right at the bottom. That fits perfectly, especially on a weekend. And I'm just gonna play around with some washi strips because those are lots and lots of fun to use. I'm gonna add a long strip, so there it is. I think that looks pretty great. And that's my retractable X-Acto knife, which is incredible. It's probably my favorite X-Acto knife ever. It has a tiny blade, which means it is ideal for cutting around things and tiny things like stickers. So I'm adding some clovers, some 3-leaf clovers, which are very typical. And let's see, I'm not sure if they're too big or not, and if they are, I can always place them somewhere else. No big deal. I have tiny ones and I can play with those and add all of the colors in here. I think that is pretty great. Let's take a look. Yep. And I'm just gonna add a few little things and see how that turns out. Okay, I was going to make this like weird shapely thing, but I don't know if I like this. This looks really weird. So this will be the first week of spring forward, and I think that's pretty appropriate. Even better that it is in green, right? It just was meant to be. Okay, and then I wanted to add a little bit of plants because those always make me pretty happy. So let me go ahead and start adding those. And then I will also need to add a few boxes. Let's see this lovely rainbow mega sticker book and see if there's any beautiful green boxes that we can use. Let's do that. It's almost bluish, but that's okay, right? And we have this Granny Smith green. It is gorgeous. And I'm just gonna add that pop of green with a tiny sticker in the middle. And then I'm gonna add some darker tones to the spread as well. Okay, and then the two checklists, one is for my Instagram posts, one is for my publishing video schedule, and these seem to be working really great for me. What do you guys think? The only thing I don't like is all of these little clovers. I think that's a little overkill right there, and I think I can add them to different things and maybe make it a little bit more of a St. Patty's Day versus not. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a few clovers all over the place, and I think that might be pretty close to done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and visiting my channel, and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. And for now, let me pop this back into my planner and have a look at the spread from up top and see if anything is missing. I think this is perfect if you have some of the mega books for St. Patty's Day. Let me know what you think. Have a great week. Bye.